Dan, why is a pre-approval important for a buyer and for a seller? And what exactly is the process? Can you tell us?
So yeah, a pre-approval is essentially the best evidence that you can provide a seller and tell them that you can afford the house that you're trying to buy.
So it's important to a seller because they want to make sure you really are going to follow through. They don't want to take their house off the market and then have it go, oh yeah, he doesn't even have a job. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
So there's got to be some type of proof. And what goes into that proof and what does the buyer have to do to have it?
I'm just going to explain the process because I think that'll be a nice timeline. So first of all, we have a conversation with the person who's trying to buy, and we just talk about your income, your debts, your work history, comfortable payments for you. That's really important to me because we can tell you what kind of payment you qualify for, but if you're not comfortable with that, we're going to target what you're comfortable for.
It's hard to be comfortable with any payment in this market. Right?
Yeah, a lot of people, everybody's scared to buy a house, especially their first one. I get it. We've been there. It's tough.
But it's good because you can really show them the number. And that's one thing I love about you. And when I take my clients to you, is you show them the numbers and you show spreadsheets. And so he can go as detailed or not detailed as you want. What's the next process?
The next process is after I'm comfortable with the conversation, yeah, you're in the ballpark, you got a good chance of buying. Then we'll start to collect documents. We'll start to do something like a credit check because that's really important because every lender requires a credit check. And so we'll do that. And we'll have the documents there just to make sure, like tax returns and W-2s and pay stubs, to verify that what we talked about can be documented and sent to a lender and they can give an approval for that.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So then you get the approval and then you have and so then how does that go from there?
Then you get a pre-approval letter. And how you want that to work is you want it to match your offer, actually. You could be approved for up to $600,000, but the house you're looking at is only $500,000. We don't want to issue you a $600,000 pre-approval because the seller might think there's a lot more room for negotiation there.
So you want to make sure you have a good agent that's strategic and knows how to leverage everything.
Yeah.
I know, like for me, I look at the whole case scenario and I might know that my client's qualified for 600, but I don't want to show all my cards to the other side. So I'm very conservative at what I show them on the pre-approval.
For sure.
And so having a good team partner is a great way to go. So
yeah, one thing I wanted to mention too, you should have your lender actually call the seller or the selling agent because they can actually verify, yes, I checked their credit, I looked at the documents, this is a solid offer, you should accept this offer.
And the more evidence and the better you can support somebody, the better they feel.
Exactly.
If you guys have questions, want to know more, we're always happy to talk to you. Give us a call, check below. We'd love to do it. We'll talk to you for free and go through the whole process with you one-on-one and show you numbers. So give us a call.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.